Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to explain about the question paper pattern of NDA written examination. So in NDA written examination we will have two papers. So paper 1 is purely mathematics paper and paper 2 GAT, that is general ability test. So in this session we will discuss briefly about paper 1. Paper 1 mathematics question paper. So you will be given 120 questions and 2.5 hours time will be given to solve these 120 questions. So for each question 2.5 marks will be awarded. So that maximum marks will be for all the 120 questions there is 300 marks. So out of 300 marks, if you are able to score at least 100 plus, you will be qualified in paper 1. So in paper 1 at least 200 plus marks and in paper 2 at least 250 plus marks, then you will have a chance to get selected into next level, that is SSB level. Okay, so let us discuss briefly about paper 1. So for each correct answer you will be given 2.5 marks for correct answer, and for each wrong answer there will be deduction in 0.83, 1/3 of 2.5 marks, that is 0.83 marks will be deducted. There will be neither addition nor deduction of marks for non-attempted questions. Okay, now our aim is to score at least 200 plus marks in paper 1. So how to prepare to get at least 200 plus marks? So what chapters you must be thorough with? We will discuss now. So moving on to weightage, 8 to 10 questions. 8 to 10 questions we are going to get from the following chapters, like matrices, determinants, next one trigonometry, okay, next probability, statistics, next differentiation, next integration, okay. So from these chapters and one more chapter, vector algebra, this is also most important chapter. So from these chapters you are going to get 8 to 10 questions. That means almost all half of the question paper, okay, is from these 7 chapters. So we must give first priority for these topics. As many problems as possible you have to prepare. Next, moving on to next topic, 6 to 8 questions. 6 to 8 questions we are going to get from the chapters sets, relations and functions. Next, sequences and series. Sequences and series. Okay. Next, limits, continuity, and differentiability. differentiability. Next, coordinate system, coordinate geometry, straight lines. Okay, so from these chapters there is a chance of getting at least six questions, that is 6 to 8 questions. Okay, so our next priority must be given for these chapters. Next, 4 to 5 questions, 4 to 5 questions every time. 4 to 5 questions we are going to get from the following chapters, like quadratic equations, inequations. Next, complex numbers. Okay. Next, permutations, combinations. Next, binomial theorem. Next, three-dimensional geometry. Next, differential equations. Okay. So other than these topics, we must also prepare chapters like conic section. Okay. Next, circles. Binary numbers. Okay, logarithms. Okay, so if you are thorough with all these topics, okay, out of 120 questions you can attempt at least 80 plus questions. If you are able to attempt 80 plus questions correctly, then there will be a chance to get selected in paper 1. There will be a chance to qualify in paper 1 as well as in paper 2 also. If you perform well, then you will be get selected into next level, that is SSB level. So I hope everyone got understood, students. So how to prepare, for which topics you should give priority, okay, with which topics you have to begin your preparation. Okay, so all the best students for your upcoming NDA examinations. Thank you.